If you're looking for a premium dashcam, you've probably come across these two models: the VIOFO A229 Plus and the REDTIGER F17. But which one is actually worth your money? In this video, we'll compare their video quality, night performance, features, and overall value. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the overall winner and who each dashcam is best for. Let's get started. Product number 1. VIOFO A229 Plus. What is it? The VIOFO A229 Plus is a dual-channel dashcam that records both the front and rear of your vehicle in 1440p HDR. It features Sony Starvis 2 sensors on both cameras, along with voice control, ultra-precise GPS, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Why is it good? Its biggest advantage is image quality. Since both the front and rear cameras use Starvis 2 sensors, it delivers outstanding detail during the day and excellent low-light performance at night. The 1440p rear camera also captures clearer license plates than many competing models. Who is it for? This dashcam is perfect for everyday drivers who want premium video quality, reliable performance, and strong front and rear protection. A small downside: it doesn't include an interior cabin camera, so it may not be ideal for rideshare drivers who need to record passengers. Product number 2. REDTIGER F17. What is it? The REDTIGER F17 is a 3-channel dashcam that records in 4K for the front, 1080p inside the cabin, and 1080p at the rear. It also includes a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, IR night vision, GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, parking mode, and comes with a 64 GB memory card. Why is it good? Its biggest strength is complete coverage. With front, cabin, and rear cameras recording simultaneously, it's an excellent choice for rideshare drivers. The infrared night vision also keeps the cabin visible even in complete darkness. Who is it for? This is the ideal option for Uber, Lyft, taxi, or other rideshare drivers who need to record both the road and the interior of the vehicle. A small downside: although the front camera records in 4K, the rear camera is limited to 1080p, so rear footage isn't as detailed as the VIOFO A229 Plus. If your priority is the best front and rear video quality, the VIOFO A229 Plus is the better choice thanks to its dual 1440p Starvis 2 cameras and outstanding night performance. However, it does come at a slightly higher price. If you're looking for the best value and want complete coverage, including footage inside the vehicle, the REDTIGER F17 offers a 4K front camera, an interior camera, and a rear camera for less money. In short, VIOFO wins in image quality, while REDTIGER wins in value and coverage. Overall best: VIOFO A229 Plus. Although it costs a little more, the superior front and rear video quality, excellent night performance, and reliable build quality make it the best all-around choice for most drivers. Best value for professionals: REDTIGER F17. If you're a rideshare or taxi driver, or simply want to record the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle without spending as much, the REDTIGER F17 is the better value.